everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to boost your plant's health points in latest Plants vs Brain Rot update. So in this update, there's a special event called Corrupted Plant like this. And then in this event, will let you increase your plant's HP up to 10 times higher. And then to start it, just simply tap on your plants that you want to upgrade. And then in here, just give your plant to the NPC and then next just tap on yes, and then next just wait until the progress finishes. And once it's done, just check your inventory and then just search for your plants. Just check your plant, and then next you will see that it now has a new purple corrupted look like this, and that means the HP boost is active and your plant is now way stronger and ready for harder battles. And okay, that's it, a quick guide on boosting HP with Corrupted Plant event. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!